Diaper baby changing table with contoured pad by Badger Basket is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Badger Basket's Diaper Corner Baby Changing Table is an innovative and unique angle on changing tables. Capitalize on normally unused corner space. Change your infant with feet pointing towards you. 2 large middle shelves, and 6 triangle side shelves. The diaper corner is a convenient way to add an unobtrusive changing station to any other floor or room in the house. Includes a foam changing pad, with white, terry cloth pad cover, and a safety belt, too. Personalize the look of the table by adding baskets to contain small items and baby supplies, baskets sold separately. Can be used as a storage book game shelf or TV media center when your child outgrows the changing table. Sturdy table is made with wood composites, and veneers. Fabric pad cover is 100% cotton. Changing pad is polyurethane foam covered with white clean PEVA, non-PVC, vinyl. All paints and finishes are non-toxic. The diaper corner measures 35 inches H to the top of the contoured changing pad, 32 inches H from floor to top shelf, 5 inches from the back corner to the front edge, and 5 inches W from corner to corner. Changing pad, 16 inches L by 31 inches W by 3 inches H. Assembled weight, 33.5 lbs. All measurements approximate. Wipe the table and changing pad clean with a damp cloth and mild soap as needed and dry thoroughly. Fabric pad cover can be machine washed in cold water, gentle cycle, and air dry or tumble dry low. Changing table is for use with children weighing up to 30 lbs, 6 kilograms. Adult assembly required. Illustrated assembly instructions included. Meets all currently applicable testing standards. Product includes a limited warranty of 30 days parts to the original purchaser. Product may vary slightly from shown and described. Props accessories shown are for illustration purposes only and are not included with the product. Actual color finish may vary slightly from screen display. This item ships in its original carton, which may include a product photo. Badger Basket's angular diaper corner baby changing table is a novel piece of furniture that maximizes idle corner space in baby's nursery. Enjoy a fully featured diapering and dressing station with integral safety features and generous storage capacity. Key changing supplies are always at hand. Transform a corner of your baby's nursery into a dressing and diapering station. Abundant storage space on either side of the changing area and below. Change your baby's diaper with feet pointing towards you. Includes foam changing pad, fabric pad cover, and safety belt. Wipe clean as needed.